change in the meter reading? Are you serious?
Oh. Honey, you're hitting your head on stuff. Did you hit your head? Yeah. You're gonna move that? Okay. Look at those toys you dumped out of your basket just so that you could play. You moved it really, really far. It was the coffee table you were hitting your head on.
I'm not sure why. I didn't know if maybe you guys were close to it, maybe bumped the cord or something.
You know what? I think we should be looking for something that's organic.
Only my child dumps the toys out of the toy basket just so she can roll around in the basket.
I'm not sure if it's something
Okay, Mira.
touching it. I can't see anything
I love you.
right now. I didn't see anything before it went out, so I'm not sure what
I
it is.
love you. Mwah.